to a brand new video. This one's going to be another pit bike video, and this is one of the best days I've ever had on the pit bike. Honestly, we went so fast down so many roads, down so many trails, we went so far, and yeah, I just had a really good time. And yeah, there were like a really close call at the end where I almost did go into a car. It was mad. I was proper scared, but I did the coolest slide ever, so make sure you watch that part. Also, I want to show you guys something. Just give me a sec. Look at this. It's currently 4:47 in the morning. So I'm doing all this for you guys to have 15 minutes of entertainment. I'm staying up all night editing it, so a like would be very much appreciated. Okay, first thing we're going to do is get a bit of fuel because we ain't got that much in the tank. So yeah, since we're probably going to be on a little bit of a longer ride, we definitely want a bit of fuel in it. Fueled up and ready to go. It's good being back out on the bike. You guys know how much I love this thing. Straight on this little channel right here. We just got past the school, all the little kids are looking at motorbikes thinking, what's there? This is sick. I've completely lost my friends anyway. This thing's alright when it actually works. Oh, I do love it. A bit of uphill right here, going up into the woods. We're going to go up into Grenna Woods, then into Warncliffe Woods, and then just keep on going. Oh. So you go for an overtake, guys. Little Citroen C1, I'm sure I can handle that. I think it's around a corner, so I'm going to be a bit sensible. Going for it! Overtake completed! My eyes are watering so bad. I need to get some goggles or something, because literally I've got tears coming down my eyes. Well, that was fun. We're now entering the woods, so I'm just waiting for my friends because I've absolutely smoked them. Right into the woods. This is going to be fun. Just got to watch out for this little fence down here because it's not usually the best to get past. Oh, it's a bit muddy. Love it on this thing though. It's amazing. So yeah, this is the first of the trails. The trail's gonna go on for a while, so yeah, it should be a good lap today. I just keep checking to make sure those guys are still behind me. I'm not even sure if you guys have seen those that other people I'm riding with yet. I'm sure you have earlier on, and you'll probably see them later on anyway. Yeah, it's a nice day, just cruising. So yeah, we're gonna be going along here for quite a while. I've got like a bit of a route planned out for us, so we'll keep heading this way and hopefully it all works out. I think I've got a few bits of mud on my face already, as you'd expect. I always get coated in mud when I come out on the bike. Oh, puddle. Let's go through this slowly, I don't fancy getting so. It sounds quite nice, that bike behind me. I feel like I don't talk as much when I'm with other people. I need to keep on doing the commentary for you guys, otherwise it'll be boring. Down here, we don't usually go down here guys, so this is like new terrain for the pit bike. I have recently fixed my chain because in last video I actually broke my chain. If you didn't see that video then go watch it. It's kind of quiet today, so that's always good. It is a weekday, so a lot of people at work, not many people are out. But the people that are out, they have given me a few dirty looks, which is good. I feel like the pit bike's not too bad on long rides like this. It's just when I try and do things like jump it that you don't like it. So you've got to jump the pit bike, it's all part of fun. I don't know if we'll end up doing any jumps today. We'll have to wait and see. Either way, we're going for like a long cruise today along all these paths. And yeah, just having some fun really. There is some fresh horse food that I've just gone past, so I am going to have to be careful for horses, because horses don't like motorbikes, so if I see any I'm always really careful. We're going right up towards Stocksbridge at the moment. We're not too far away from Stocksbridge. It's quite a good view ahead of me actually. I think we'll go this way. Whoa, it's a bit slippy in there. I've not been on here in ages. It's getting a little rocky though, so yeah, a bit more technical first. All good fun. Whoa! Even tried to stand up there. Oh, I do love coming out on the bike. I know I don't stop saying it, but I mean it. Look, it's just great, isn't it? Yeah, definitely covering some distance today. Oh, it's getting bumpy. But yeah, we've got plenty of fuel, so we can go miles and miles and it doesn't matter. This bike is so cheap to fill up as well. Like, I can have a day out like this and it costs me hardly anything. Oh, mud. There's some downhill bikers around here. Oh, it is muddy here. Oh, 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 it's dull. Oh, we got some smoke. Oh no, it's been mud all over me. I've got to watch out for them. Oh, it's muddy on here. Oh, it's very muddy on here. Oh shit. I'm sliding all over. Oh my god! Oh, look at my shoe! How did we even make it through that? Why is it this muddy? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, they were locking in it mud and it got me. We're gonna have to be careful on here. I weren't expecting this amount of mud. And it's going to a downhill bit now, and I've only got a back brake, so my back wheel is going to be all over. There's some right downhill tracks down here. I'm going to have to come down here on mountain bike. It'd be a right laugh. Yeah, if everything goes to plan, I'm not going to be going back that way, so yeah, that'll be good, because I don't fancy getting through all that mud again. This is a challenge, you know. On GoPro it won't look as steep, but trust me, this is steep. I don't like going downhills on bikes. I don't mind uphills, but downhills aren't as fun. I'll do it on a mountain bike any day, but motorbike, no, I don't like it. They're taking it slow, which is understandable. They've got 2 people on the bike going down this stuff. My mate seems like quite a good rider anyway. I've not rode with him before, so yeah, he seems like he knows what he's doing. Hopefully he doesn't die. Hopefully I don't die. I'm just taking it slow at the moment, waiting for them. I can see a better trail down at the bottom anyway that we're going towards. Then we should be able to go a little bit faster, because it's a little bit more smooth. But literally, my pegs are coated in mud and I'm just slipping off them. I wouldn't even trust myself to stand up on pegs, I don't think. Let's have a look. I can just about, but it's sketchy, because I literally, even sat down, my feet are just coming off the pegs. That was a single little pop. I do need to get good at wheelies, because I'm not too good yet, I've not practiced. Now I'm going a bit faster up mud slide, just flicking up at me, as you can probably see on GoPro. We've got miles already. Bit of water. That's my mud shower for the day. Going uphill a little bit now, like I said, I prefer this. That bike behind me is a 110, but it's actually keeping up. It's not too bad. So yeah, I'm always watching out for people. Like, I'm not going ridiculously fast, as you can see, so yeah, I'm not being like an idiot going through here, proper ragging it all over. We're just out for a gentle cruise, having fun. Yeah, just a little mess about really, but yeah, as I say in every video, I'm always careful of people. Something doesn't sound good. I'm not too sure, maybe it's chain needs tightening. Yeah, it's a very common problem, as you've seen on the channel. This bike gets up hills easy. This isn't the biggest hill, but like, even bigger ones than this, it just flies up them, no problem. Gotta love a 4-stroke. You can go so far through these woods, it's a right good ride, and I never come down this bit. I might have to start coming down a bit more, because it's a good laugh. At least I've got my gloves on now to hold my hands up a bit. That's a lot better. I think we've passed Oxbridge now. I think we're going towards Barnsley. We're going on a right adventure today. Never been this far on pit bike before. I've got a few tools in my bag, but not too many. I'm hoping the bike don't break. I might quickly stop and check my chain because it doesn't sound too good. Right, bike's all sorted. Sorted chain out again. Let's go. That sounds a bit better, doesn't it? You've always got to listen to your bike. If it tells you there's something wrong, there's something wrong. Have a look before it's too late. I don't even remember this path going this far. I know I rode along this a long time ago, but I didn't know it was this long. That sounds sick. Okay, it's time for some road riding, guys. This is the risky bit. I'm getting all over. Never been on this road in my life. Hopefully we don't run into any trouble. Okay, I think we're about to go into a bit of a fast road. This is sick. Go speed up. I don't want to stay on this road for long. Last Blanc main road. Now we've got a little bit of country road to ride on. We shouldn't run into any trouble up here. I hope not anyway. I love cruising along roads, it's a right laugh. I don't even know if you guys can hear me because I'm revving quite loud. I don't know how much you saw before, guys. There was some wood on lens and I didn't see it, but as you can see, we're blasting along this road. Get some light speed up along here. And it's our way, so we're not bothering anyone, we're just having fun. It's great. We've got a great view to my left. Couldn't ask for out hell. I've got quite a funky hairstyle at the moment. The wind just blows my hair all over and it makes my eyes water right bad. Let's go for it. We'll make a little stop off in Woods. Right, back into Woods now. We're gonna go to this little spot I know about. Do a few like little runs round and then we'll head off. Up. Straight up. Oh! That was quite steep. I want to see these guys do it. Let's see these guys go for what I've just done. Let's see if they'll do it. This guy's good on bike, so I think he might. He's doing it! Jump! Whoa! I just almost died, and I've definitely just got absolutely soaked. Oh, muddy puddles. I'm gonna have to watch my air filter. Someone has recommended me like an air filter guard that I'm thinking about getting. I'll see. So yeah, we'll go this way back. We've had a right day of riding today. We've not even had any problems. Well, we had a little problem, but no, I couldn't sort. Overall, this bike's done really well. If it broke now, it wouldn't be end it world because I'm not like a million mile away. You guys will probably recognise this bit. I've rode back here a few times. So yeah, we'll ride along here and then head home. I'm surprised I ain't come off yet, to be honest. I've had a few close calls, as you can probably see. Thing is, nothing looks as good on GoPro. I don't look as fast on GoPro. It doesn't look like I'm about to die as much as I really am on GoPro. You can't see my back wheel going all over. It makes it quite hard. Alright, now we're at the end of the woods. Oh, mud's gonna come off now and go all over me. I know it is. This bike's not too bad for a little 125. fucking sick!
That was mad. The car braked really fast, and obviously I've only got a back brake and it's slippy conditions and I've got no ABS, and I literally just locked up the back wheel and did the longest slide ever. Listen to how long I actually slide for.
That was fucking sick!
That was mad.
I've literally just done the biggest slide ever behind this woman, but she stopped like fast and I've only got a back brake, so all I did was just slide. That was scary. I just had no grip and slid. So I catch these guys though. You ready for this? Ultimate overtake. Oh, you're gonna love this.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, remember to leave a like. If you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you all at the next one.